This is the secret chastity key, not the October. And this is the bra chain, this month for free with your order, also in silver. And with every chastity key comes the sealed factory key. And I'm going to show you how it looks like. So this is the secret chastity key with a Burgwachter lock. As you can see, it fits perfect, as it should. And I'm going to seal the factory key now with a wax seal. This is the Burgwachter factory key. And this is the in case of emergency key. In a membrane box. So you can show it in the living room when you got visitors or something. Then they have got no clue what the meaning of the key is. This is wax, and I'm going to seal the key, the membrane box, with a BDSM logo stamp. And this is what we do standard with every key. That's the first one. This secret key, this one is flying to the United States tonight. Here we are. This is the sealed factory key, so the in case of emergency key. And this is the secret key in silver with the free bra chain this month. It's only 4 days. And inside the silver tube is the Burgwachter key. So it's a very, very innocent jewelry around your neck. the secret chastity key. Manufacturing and shipping at this moment is about 1 to 3 2 days, 2 weeks, 1 week, 2 weeks at this moment. A festive season is coming, so it's gonna be a bit busier, but at this moment 1 till 2 weeks. Bye bye.